Egypt in the Bible. Egypt, often portrayed as the land of antiquity and mystery, plays a significant role in the Bible. From the Old Testament to the New Testament, Egypt is referenced numerous times, serving as a backdrop for various narratives and symbolizing different aspects of human experience. In the Old Testament, Egypt is prominently featured in the story of the Israelites' exodus from slavery. According to the book of Exodus, the Israelites, led by Moses, fled from Egypt after and during centuries of oppression under Pharaoh. This exodus is one of the central events in Jewish history, marking the liberation of the Israelites from bondage and the beginning of their journey to the Promised Land. Egypt, in this context, represents bondage, oppression, and the struggle for freedom. Moreover, Egypt is portrayed as a place of refuge and sanctuary in times of crisis. During a famine, Joseph, one of the sons of Jacob, sought refuge in Egypt and rose to prominence in Pharaoh's court. His wisdom and foresight saved Egypt and the surrounding regions from starvation, highlighting Egypt's role as a place of providence and salvation. In the New Testament, Egypt is mentioned in the context of Jesus Christ's early life. Following the birth of Jesus, King Herod, fearing the prophecy of a newborn king, ordered the massacre of all male infants in Bethlehem. To escape Herod's wrath, Joseph and Mary fled to Egypt with the infant Jesus, where they found safety until Herod's death. This episode underscores Egypt's significance as a place of refuge and protection for the vulnerable. Furthermore, Egypt is often used metaphorically in biblical poetry and prophecy. It symbolizes power, wealth, and worldly wisdom, as well as spiritual blindness and idolatry. In various prophetic passages, Egypt is depicted as a nation that will face divine judgment for its arrogance and oppression. Yet it is also portrayed as a nation that will ultimately turn to God and be restored. Overall, Egypt in the Bible represents a complex interplay of themes, including liberation and bondage, refuge and exile, providence and judgment. It serves as a rich symbol of human experience, offering lessons about the nature of power, the pursuit of freedom, and the enduring faithfulness of God.